Unraveling No Joke, understanding this common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of the English language. We'll be exploring the phrase, no joke, understanding its meaning, usage, and nuances. Whether you're an English learner or just curious about the language, this video will shed light on how this common phrase enriches communication. So, let's get started. No joke can be understood in two ways, its literal and figurative meanings. Literally, it means something is not a joke. However, figuratively, it's used to emphasize that something is serious or significant. For example, if someone says, "This exam is no joke," they mean the exam is very difficult or important. Understanding how to use no joke in conversations is crucial. It's often used to strengthen a statement or to express that something should be taken seriously. For instance, "The traffic today was no joke. It took me 2 hours to get home. His cooking skills are no joke. He could be a professional chef." For learners, it's easy to misunderstand no joke as just negating humor. But remember, it's more about stressing the seriousness or remarkability of a situation. Misusing it can lead to confusing conversations. In English-speaking cultures, no joke is often used in informal settings. It's a casual way to express agreement with someone about the intensity or seriousness of a situation. For example, "It's really hot today. Yeah, it's no joke." Similar phrases include, "no laughing matter," and "serious business." These can be used interchangeably in some contexts, but each has its unique tone and slight differences in meaning. Understanding phrases like, "no joke," can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of English. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you use no joke confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy every step. See you in the next video.